we go. In Illustrator, let me open up a new document. Print. Okay, you all know that you have to create your letters. We want them to be no bigger than an inch.
And they absolutely have to be using Universe, which you have installed. So I'm choosing Universe. And at this point, my text is still editable, which means if I grab my type tool, I can highlight the text. In order to cut it, we have to make it into an object. So with this selected, if I go to Object, Expand, and click OK, now when I zoom in, we can see there is a path around this shape. Now we can cut it and move it and rotate it and do everything that you want it to do. There is an easier way than the way that I showed you earlier with the scissor tool. And this involves the line segment tool. And this is your line segment tool right here. So with your A selected, grab your line segment tool and just draw where you want your object segmented. If you make a mistake, that's okay. Grab your white arrow tool and click on the points of your line and move them into the position that you want. Once you do that, grab your black
arrow tool, draw a bounding box around everything, just click and drag, that everything is selected. And remember, we're going to use our Pathfinder. If you can't find your Pathfinder, go to Window, Pathfinder. I just closed mine, so I'm going to reopen it. That's not true. Now I just closed it. I'm going to reopen it.
And you want to use the divide. If you hover over each of these, it'll tell you what the modes are. Make sure you click divide. So I click divide. Lastly, I need to go to object, ungroup. Now I have all my segments separated, and you can grab them and rotate them independently. If you want to rotate something in 45-degree increments, hold down the shift key. And that's it.